So when we're talking about covalent compounds, we mean compounds where we have a nonmetal bonded to another nonmetal. And we can use the periodic table to identify these nonmetals. So, for example, a covalent compound would be something like CO2, NCl3, or O2. In each case, we have two or more nonmetals bonded together. So give this a try. Pause, and then try to figure out which of these compounds are covalent. So Cl2, that's made up of two nonmetals bonded together, so that's covalent. When we look at NaCl, we see right away that Na is a metal, and that can't be covalent. CF4 is covalent, and then, well, for carbon, just the C there, there's only one nonmetal, so it's really not a compound, it's just an element. So there's no bond, and there's no covalent bond. Be careful with hydrogen. It's a nonmetal, even though it's on the left all by itself. So for compounds like CH4, HCl, H2, or H2O, those are all covalent compounds. They contain hydrogen, which is a nonmetal, and then they have another nonmetal. Two or more nonmetals, that's going to be covalent. Covalent compounds are also called molecular compounds. They're the same thing. So you see that sometimes, just know that covalent and molecular are the same thing. You might also come across organic compounds. These are made up of carbon and then some hydrogen atoms and maybe a few oxygen or nitrogen atoms. So pause for a second and think, are these covalent compounds as well? The answer should be yes. Organic compounds are covalent since they're made up of two or more nonmetals. So that's it. When we have two or more nonmetals, we have a covalent compound. It's also called a molecular compound. This is Dr. B, and thanks for watching.